toes.
Our shoes go on our feet.
Yes.
That's right.
I think I'll wear shoes today. Yeah, I will. I will.
Whoa!
Why don't we move over here a little bit more? How's that? Did I sit on your foot? I'm sorry. Good job. Yeah. Where's your dad at?
Dada.
Is he working?
Mama.
He's working?
So I bet he's home sleeping right now.
Oh, he's sleeping? I bet you're real quiet while he sleeps. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you get up there with George? Outside? George. Yeah. George. George. Shoes. Shoes. Yeah.
He's soft. He feels soft. 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 He's soft. Can you say soft? Soft. Soft. Is the bed soft?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You might want to sit down before you step off there.
Sydney. Hold on. Uh-huh.
Hey, Sydney? What's
George.
your name? Sydney? Say, my name is Sydney. What is your name? Say, Sydney. Sydney. Can you do that? Sydney. Sydney. I heard it. Sydney.
Yeah, that's right. S for Sydney.
Yes. Knee, Sydney. Yeah.
That's one part.
You know knee, you can say Sid. Say Sid. Sid. Can you say Sid? Sydney. 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 That's your name. Can you say, my name is Sydney? Sydney. My name. Name. My name is Sydney. Sydney. Say Sydney. George, can you say Sydney? George can't say it. Everything sounds like woof woof. Yeah, that's what George says. Woof woof. What does George say? Woof woof woof. George says woof. What's your name? Sydney? Sydney. Can you say Sydney? Sydney.
Sydney.
Yeah, you said it. I heard it. That was good. You can say Sydney. What's your name? Sydney. Yeah. Say Sydney. 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 Is that a funny name? I think it's a pretty name. I think you like your name. It makes you laugh. It makes you laugh. Say, Sydney. Sydney.
I'm not the mask.
Yes.
I'm
Are you ready?
Mama.
Are you all ready?
I'm the
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Can you go get that hanger? You gonna hang it back up? See the hanger in the floor? See the hanger? We can go get it. You wanna hang it up? You wanna help me? Come on. No,
Say bye.
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving, George. We're gonna get the hanger.